All right, so we have a whole bag of jumbo marshmallows in our greased 13 by 9 pan. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab my Golden Grams, my favorite cereal, and we're just gonna sprinkle that right on top, just like this. Beautiful. Spread that out. We are making a yummy and super easy dessert. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and grab my Hershey's milk chocolate, and we're just going to break that. We don't need very many of these, so just grab your little 2 pieces just like that. That one, these 2 right in the middle, and that's just what you need. We'll use the other chocolate for something else. Now I'm gonna grab some butter. We're gonna use 1 stick of butter because we don't want our marshmallows to stick to all of our ingredients in pan. We want this to be a clean up, okay. That looks just about right. All right, now this is gonna go in the oven. It's set to 350 and it's gonna be there in 10 minutes, but let's go ahead and look at that bottom real quick. Look at all those yummy jumbo marshmallows. All right, in the oven we go. Look at those marshmallows. They look so ooey and gooey. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab a spatula and I'm gonna spray it with my butter spray, just right on it so that when we mix this together, it doesn't stick to the marshmallow. Okay, fold it all in. This is gonna be so good, you guys. We are kind of making like a s'more Rice Krispie treat, but with Golden Grams, because they just have the perfect like graham cracker taste to them. Okay, so we have this fully mixed and it smells amazing. It's s'mores galore. I'm just flattening it down so we have a nice even surface. Oh, this is gonna be so good, you guys. Okay, before we pop this in the fridge, I'm gonna go ahead and grab those extra Hershey's that we have, and I'm just gonna put them right on top to make this extra cute, because more chocolate is always a yes in my house. Okay, just like this, should be good. And then I have some more marshmallows, call me crazy. You can totally skip these, but I'm just gonna go ahead and cut these in half just like this. And I'm gonna put them right on top. This is just more decoration for your delicious s'more Rice Krispies. These are gonna go in the fridge for 1 hour and then we're gonna cut into them. Would you look at that? All right, it's time to cut into this baby. Oh yeah, it's gonna be so good, you guys. Okay. I did spray the bottom of my pan, but you know, could always use more spray. Oh my, would you look at that? That is a s'more Rice Krispie if I've ever seen one. Oh, look at all that marshmallow. Okay, I gotta try a bite of this. Woo! That's a winner.